Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and in today's we'll be reviewing the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Before we get into this video, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to the Larry Schmiller Dodge Ram Jeep Chrysler here in Sandy for giving me some time with his Pacifica. I'll include a link to their website in the description down below. I'll also include a link to my car buying guide. Let's get into it. Powering this is a 3.6 liter V6 as paired to a plug-in hybrid, about a 16 kilowatt hour battery pack and an eCVT. MPGe is 82. This can get 30 miles per gallon without hybrid assist. It has 32 miles of electric driving range, and it produces 260 horsepower. Now, before we move forward with this review, I do want to mention if you want to see more videos just like this, then I recommend you subscribe because I post content every single day. So taking a look at the hood, pretty cool with this kind of like, it's like a orangish red almost, but really fun headlight design. And then everything's blacked out on this. This has the S appearance package, so it's got that sportier look. Now our tire wheel setup is 235 by 60 by 18 in the front and over in the rear. And you can see here with the wheels, really cool with the finish there. We've got the blacked out mirror caps, all the blacked out window trim as well. And then here's your side profile with the Pacifica. Now the key fob has our lock and unlock. We got the opening for the rear remote start. We got the doors as well. Chrysler logo there on the back. Now this does have the stow and go seating, so the straps are all nicely labeled to be able to throw the seats down into the little storage area. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty normal for minivan standards in terms of the practicality. The one thing that's interesting is the buttons inside there. I've always thought that's interesting with some of the Chrysler products. Taillight design, I think, is pretty cool looking. The light bar, and you do get a little e-hybrid badge. And of course, this leads us to the doors. Now let me see if I can get this done the first try. Yeah, way easier than Toyota's system. I will say that Toyota, you have to like jump your foot in and do it like 5 times and it works. This is pretty consistent. But nice seats here, and this one comes with the TVs in the back, which you can fold down. It's kind of a cool little feature. Got some little USB ports there as well. Climate controls up top. And then this does have captain chairs in the center here. And then the third row seats are actually still pretty fancy looking. And, you know, you can fit adults back there pretty comfortably. It's one of the nice things about minivans. And with the sunroof open, it's very bright in here. Now popping inside, we've got this nice soft touch trim here down below as well. You can see with all of our window controls, they're all automatic. The mirrors power fold in, get your memory seats, blind spot monitoring with the mirrors. And then here's the front seat, perforated all down the center. Adjustments there on the side. Got our light controls here, nice soft touch trim on the dash. Taking a look at the steering wheel, we've got soft touch all around, radio controls in the back, got practical controls in the front, including our cruise control. You can see adaptive cruise control as well, controls for the center, the voice command controls, regular old stocks on the back, and then nice cluster here in the center, which you can use to see different bits of info on systems within the car. And then notice it'll also let you know what's happening with the hybrid system. They're off to the side, and then here on the other side, it lets you know your range with gas and with the battery. Nice 360 camera system, always a good thing to have on a big vehicle like this, long at least. Infotainment system takes a second to respond with some of the pages. As you can see, do have heated and ventilated seats. It comes with this heated steering wheel on top of that. And then down below we've got a bunch of physical controls, mostly, you know, radio, your parking assist, lane departure, climate controls below that, shifter here for the eCVT, parking brake. Let's see a little charging area in here. It's got some nice trim here on the side. Some cup holders, and then more storage with some more charging ports, funny enough. Nice trim here on the dash. You can see the rear view mirror, and then we do have a big panoramic sunroof. So taking a look at the window sticker, 2025 Pacifica Select PHEV Premium S Appearance. Weird name. Big price tag, $64,000. That is correct, $64,000. Let's see how it performs. Let's talk about visibility. Blind spot monitoring through both the mirrors. And pretty good throughout the rest of the rear. Does this actually have... Yeah, I forgot to mention that. Fam cam! It's another nice thing. So you can be big brother to the little ones. So the plug-in hybrid's a pretty cool setup. There are now 3 hybrid minivans in the market, because you got the Sienna, it's hybrid only. You can get the Carnival in a hybrid, and then this as well. Thing to note, Carnival, no all-wheel drive at all offered in any of the packages. This you can get all-wheel drive, but you have to just get the regular V6. I think it'd be cool if they added all-wheel drive to the hybrid. Smooth, and I think this has 2 motors too. So just hook one up to the back wheels. This is what Toyota does their stuff. They keep it for like a all-wheel drive Prius. They just throw a motor there on the back. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. Smooth. Engine's a little bit rowdy, but it's not bad. So one thing I noticed with plug-in hybrids, it seems like the engines are just, even if it's the same engine, like they're just louder. It's kind of, I don't know, just an interesting thing to note. I don't know if this Lexus is ever gonna get out. Yeah, this road's not fun to turn left. That's why I always go right. This Lexus GX is just big enough that, I don't know, I can squeeze by. Oh, this person's gonna... I'll let them do their thing. I'll let the cross tour do its thing. Yeah, nice. Suspension's pretty comfortable. Yeah, it's the nice thing about minivans is long wheelbase, so it's not like luxury with the ride, but it's comfortable enough. Pretty solid setup. Zooming. It's pretty quick. It's pretty quick. Yeah, not too shabby for a minivan. Not too shabby for a minivan. Yeah, that's nice. So, Pacifica plug-in hybrid. I like the practicality. Right? I mean, think if you just taking the kids to school, taking a trip to the grocery store, just down the, you know, it's stuff that's not that far away. 30 miles, that's nice, where you can just go back home, plug it in, and it's, I mean, I'll tell you, it's a huge convenience, because here's the deal. If you're married, we all know who's filling up with gas. We all know how that works. So having something that's a plug-in hybrid where you don't have to be on gas duty as often. It's not gas duty, that's so weird. Anyways, you guys get what I'm saying. That's nice. It's a nice feature. So let me know you guys think, man, I need to clean my cars better. Let me know you guys think about the Chrysler Pacifica with the plug-in hybrid. It is expensive, that is for sure, but the plug-in hybrid's cool, and I hope we get more hybrid minivans, because hybrid with a minivan makes sense, because these cars are not meant to be fast, and so just having, like Toyota's nailed it too, just having an economical engine in this is just, it's logical.